I bet you didn't know how much the right tools can level up your content game. Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Troy, and we're diving deep into the world of video creation tools. These days, everyone from seasoned YouTubers to TikTok newbies are looking for that edge to make their content pop. And let's be real, the right tools can make all the difference. We're talking smoother edits, eye-catching effects, and maybe even saving you some precious time in the process. So whether you're dropping daily vlogs, crafting cinematic masterpieces, or just trying to make your Instagram stories stand out, I've got you covered. We're breaking down 11 of the best video creation tools out there, each with its own strengths and features. Let's get started. First up, we're diving into AI Video Builder. This tool is all about speed and efficiency, especially if you're not a video editing wizard. AI Video Builder uses artificial intelligence to automate a lot of the heavy lifting in video creation. Think auto-generated video clips, music suggestions, and even voiceovers. It's like having a virtual editor working in the background so you can focus on the creative stuff. But don't worry, you still have plenty of control over the final product. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to get started, with drag-and-drop features and intuitive controls. Plus, it offers a variety of templates and suggestions to kickstart your creativity. For content creators, this means less time spent on tedious tasks and more time to innovate and engage with your audience.
One of the things I appreciate about AI Video Builder is its user-friendly interface. It's clean, intuitive, and even if you're new to video editing, you'll be able to navigate it without a problem. And because it's cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere, anytime. No need to download bulky software or worry about system requirements. But the real magic happens under the hood. The AI engine analyzes your content and suggests relevant video clips, images, and even music to match. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're working on short-form content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram stories.
Next up is Revid AI, and this one is all about taking the pain out of video editing. We've all been there, staring at a timeline full of clips, wondering where to even start.
Revid AI steps in with its AI-powered editing features. It can automatically cut and trim your footage, removing awkward pauses and dead air, and it doesn't stop there. Revid AI also helps you create those smooth transitions and add professional-looking effects without breaking a sweat. It's like having a personal editor on call, ready to polish your videos and make them shine.
Now, if you're creating content for social media, you know how important pacing is. Revid AI gets that, and it's designed to help you create fast-paced, engaging videos that capture attention. It can automatically adjust the aspect ratio of your videos to fit different platforms like TikTok, Instagram Stories, and YouTube Shorts.
And here's a cool feature. Revid AI can even generate subtitles automatically. This is a game changer for accessibility and for keeping viewers engaged even if they're watching with the sound off. Plus, it can help you reach a wider audience, as subtitles can make your content accessible to viewers in different languages.
So you want to up your video game without starting from scratch every time? InVideo might just be your new best friend. This tool is like having a whole production team in your back pocket, packed with thousands of templates ready to go. We're talking everything from sleek YouTube intros to eye-catching Instagram stories, all customizable to fit your vibe.
And forget about spending hours scouring the web for the perfect footage. InVideo has a massive library of stock videos and images built right in. This means you can go from idea to finished product in way less time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, InVideo's intuitive interface makes it super easy to navigate and find what you need. It's like having a shortcut to professional-looking videos.
But InVideo isn't just about speed and convenience. This tool is also loaded with features that give you granular control over your edits. We're talking about a full suite of editing tools, from trimming and cropping to color correction and audio mixing. You can add text overlays, transitions, and even create animations to really make your videos pop. And the best part? InVideo is cloud-based, so you can access your projects from anywhere, anytime.
Collaborate with team members, make quick edits on the fly, and keep your workflow seamless. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform, InVideo has got you covered with its versatile feature set.
Alright, so you've mastered the basics of video editing and you're ready to step up to a more professional platform? Opus Pro is where it's at. This tool is designed for creators who want that extra level of control and precision in their edits. We're talking about advanced features like multi-track editing, keyframing, and color grading that let you fine-tune every single detail of your videos. But Opus Pro isn't just about giving you more control, it's also about making the editing process smarter.
Opus Pro comes loaded with AI-powered tools that streamline your workflow and help you achieve that polished, professional look. Think intelligent audio ducking, automated subtitles, and even suggestions for the perfect cuts and transitions.
One of the things that sets Opus Pro apart is its focus on optimization. We all know how important video quality is, especially on platforms like YouTube. Opus Pro makes sure your videos look their absolute best with its powerful rendering engine. You can export your videos in a variety of formats and resolutions, including 4K and even 8K for those super sharp details. And with its adaptive bitrate technology, your viewers will always get the best possible viewing experience, regardless of their internet speed.
So whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or an aspiring YouTuber, Opus Pro gives you the tools and the power to take your video content to the next level. It's the kind of tool that grows with you as your skills develop. All right, let's be real. In the age of TikTok and Instagram, it's all about grabbing attention fast.
If you're creating short-form content, Spike Studio is your secret weapon. This tool is designed to make your videos pop off the screen with eye-catching visuals and seamless transitions.
We're talking about a library of dynamic effects, motion graphics, and animated text overlays that instantly elevate your videos. Forget about spending hours trying to master complex animation software. Spike Studio makes it easy to add that extra layer of polish with just a few clicks.
And the best part is, it's all designed specifically for short-form content. Whether you're creating a 15-second TikTok or a minute-long Instagram reel, Spike Studio helps you tell your story in a way that's both visually engaging and easy to digest.
But Spike Studio isn't just about flashy effects, it's also incredibly intuitive and easy to use.
The interface is clean and streamlined, so you can focus on what matters most, your creativity. And with its drag and drop functionality, you can easily add and customize effects without any complicated timelines or keyframes.
Spike Studio also understands the importance of speed when it comes to short-form content. You can quickly preview your edits, experiment with different effects, and iterate on your ideas in real time. No more waiting around for renders or dealing with laggy software.
So if you're ready to take your TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to the next level, Spike Studio is the tool for you. It's the perfect blend of power and simplicity, allowing you to unleash your creativity and captivate your audience with every single second.
All right, so you're looking to streamline your video creation process, maybe even automate some of it?
Copycopter might just be the tool you need. This one's all about using the power of AI to generate video content directly from your text. Think about that for a second. You input a script, a blog post, maybe even just a product description, and Copycopter takes it from there.
It analyzes your text, pulls out the key points, and then actually builds a video around it. Pretty cool, right?
But it gets even better. Copycopter doesn't just slap some random visuals together, it tries to match the style and tone of your text, so you're getting something that feels cohesive and on brand. And for all you marketers out there, Copycopter also generates marketing copy alongside your video. So you're basically getting a 2-for-1 deal here, saving you time and effort on multiple fronts.
Now you might be thinking, who's this tool really for?
Well, Copycopter is a game changer for anyone who needs to produce a lot of video content quickly. Think about businesses with large product catalogs, news outlets that need to push out updates rapidly. or even educators creating explainer videos for online courses. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
But it's not just about speed. Copycopter ensures consistency in your messaging and branding across all your video content. That's huge, especially if you're working with a team or if you're just trying to maintain a really polished look and feel for your brand.
So if you're all about efficiency and scalability, definitely check out Copycopter.
Moving on to AI Video, a tool that's all about making high-quality video production simpler and more accessible. And they're not kidding about the AI part. This platform is packed with AI-powered features designed to automate a lot of the heavy lifting that comes with video creation. We're talking about things like automatic scene transitions, audio mixing, and even color grading.
But what really sets AI Video apart is its focus on mobile-first video creation. They've got a really slick mobile app that lets you shoot, edit, and share professional-looking videos, all from your phone. That means you can say goodbye to bulky equipment and complicated software. With AI Video, you've got a full-fledged video production studio right in your pocket.
So who's AI Video perfect for?
Well, it's a no-brainer for anyone who's constantly on the go and needs to create videos quickly and easily. Travel vloggers, social media influencers, even journalists covering breaking news. AI Video gives you the power to capture and share your story, no matter where you are. And don't think for a second that this is just a bare-bones mobile app. AI Video still packs in a ton of advanced features, like the ability to add music, text overlays, and even special effects. You can really get creative with it.
So if you're looking for a powerful yet intuitive video creation tool that won't slow you down, AI Video is definitely worth checking out. Let's talk about repurposing content, because let's be real, creating fresh content all the time can be a grind.
That's where AutoShorts AI comes in. This tool is all about taking your existing long-form content, like those YouTube videos you've poured your heart and soul into, and transforming them into engaging short-form videos.
Think TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, AutoShorts. AI takes care of everything. It analyzes your long-form video, identifies the most compelling segments, and then automatically edits them down into bite-sized pieces of content.
And it's not just about chopping up your videos. AutoShorts AI also adds things like captions, music, and even transitions to make sure your short-form content is optimized for each specific platform.
Now you might be wondering, why bother with short-form content at all?
Well, the truth is, it's where a lot of the engagement is happening these days. People's attention spans are getting shorter, and platforms like TikTok and Instagram are built for quick, snackable content.
By repurposing your long-form content with AutoShorts AI, you're essentially unlocking a whole new audience for your brand or message. You're taking advantage of these massively popular platforms without having to start from scratch with your content creation. It's a win-win situation.
So, if you're serious about expanding your reach and maximizing the value of your content, AutoShorts AI is a tool you need to have in your arsenal.
All right, so you've got a great idea for a video, but putting together a script, that's a whole other beast.
Syllabi steps in to help you wrangle those ideas into a structured script, and it does it all with the power of AI. We're talking about generating scripts from scratch. You can feed it a topic, some keywords, or even just a general concept, and Syllabi gets to work outlining key points, transitions, and even suggesting different ways to approach your narrative.
Think of it like having a brainstorming partner who's always on call and never runs out of ideas.
Plus, if you're creating content for a specific audience, like educators or marketers, Syllabi lets you tailor the tone and style of your script to really resonate with those viewers. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with writer's block, or just wants to streamline their scripting process.
It takes a lot of the guesswork out of structuring your videos, letting you focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Now, having a solid script is one thing, but actually visualizing how that translates to the screen can be tricky. That's where Syllabi really sets itself apart with its AI-powered storyboarding feature.
We're not just talking about basic shot suggestions here. Syllabi analyzes your script and automatically generates detailed storyboards, complete with shot compositions, character placements, and even suggestions for transitions between scenes.
This is like having a pre-production team at your fingertips, helping you map out your video before you even hit record. It's a massive time saver and ensures that your video has a cohesive visual flow from start to finish.
Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, Syllabi's storyboarding feature takes the guesswork out of translating your script into a captivating visual experience. It's all about making the video creation process smoother, more efficient, and dare I say, more enjoyable.
All right, so you've got great content, but how do you keep those viewers hooked? That's where Interactor comes in. This tool lets you build interactive elements directly into your videos.
Think clickable buttons, polls, even quizzes, all within the video player. Imagine dropping a link to your merch store right as someone's admiring your setup, or letting viewers choose the ending to your next vlog. That's the kind of next-level engagement Interactor unlocks.
It's perfect for YouTube, where you can really dive deep with branching narratives or Instagram stories, where quick polls and quizzes can boost your engagement rate. Interactors like that secret ingredient that takes your content from good to unforgettable. One of the coolest things about Interactor is how it empowers you to tell stories differently. You're not just presenting information, you're creating an experience.
Think about it. You could create a choose-your-own-adventure-style video or a product demo where viewers can virtually interact with the product. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
And the best part is, Interactor integrates seamlessly with popular marketing platforms, so you can easily capture leads, segment your audience, and track the performance of your interactive elements.
If you're serious about taking your video content to the next level and really connecting with your audience, you gotta check out Interactor.
We've all been there. You've got this awesome long-form video, but you need to repurpose it for TikTok or Instagram Reels. That's where Story Short AI comes in clutch. This tool uses AI to analyze your long-form content and automatically identify key segments, perfect for turning into those bite-sized videos that dominate social media. It's not just about chopping up your video, though. Story. Short AI actually understands the context of your content and can suggest the most engaging clips to turn into standalone pieces.
Think of all that valuable content you've already created. Story Short AI breathes new life into it, helping you reach a wider audience on different platforms. And it's not just for repurposing existing videos. You can use Story Short AI to create teasers or highlight reels for your longer content, driving even more views back to your main channel. This is a game changer for creators who are juggling multiple platforms. It's like having an AI assistant that helps you squeeze every last drop of potential out of your video content. If you're serious about maximizing your reach and making sure your content gets seen, Story Short AI is definitely worth checking out.
So there you have it, our rundown of the 11 best video creation tools out there right now. From AI-powered editing to interactive elements, there's something for everyone. Remember, the best tool for you depends on your specific needs and the platforms you're creating for. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips and reviews. And let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out. Until next time, keep creating awesome content. Peace.